On May 13, 2025, an officer pulls over a driver for suspended plates. What happens next is a tense standoff over paperwork, protocol, and the truth. Officer, what's up, man? You got license and insurance? Driver, what's the reason for the stop? Officer, your license plates are suspended. Central 322. Driver, false. That's false. That is, my license plate is not suspended, sir. Officer, okay. Your license plates are suspended. That's the reason I'm stopping you. Driver, impossible because I just paid. You have your driver's license and proof of insurance, sir? Can you show me? 'Cause I literally. Officer, no, I'm not showing you. Do you have your driver's license and proof of insurance? Driver, I'm sorry, sir, but I need proof that I actually got my license. Officer, no, you don't. That's not how it works. The driver insists he just left the DMV with a clean record. The officer insists on the documents. A fundamental clash begins. Driver, I literally just checked with the DMV. Officer, that isn't how it works. I'm stopping you. Show me your license and proof of insurance. Driver, that's fostering. Can I get another car over here? Can you call your supervisor? Officer, no. Give me your license and proof of insurance. Driver, may I please have a supervisor? Officer, no, absolutely not. By law you cannot. Officer, no, I absolutely can. There's no law that states you get to request a supervisor and that you'll be given one. The debate spirals. Impossible. It's not impossible. The driver pleads to verify. The officer repeats his command. Officer, hand over your license and your proof of insurance. That's what you're going to do. Driver, may I please verify that my. Officer, there's nothing to verify here. Okay. Hand over your license and your proof of insurance. The request for a supervisor is denied. The command to roll down the back window is given. Tension rises. Officer, roll this back window down. Driver, there's nothing in my car, sir. I'm sorry. I need a supervisor. Officer, you're not getting a supervisor. The focus shifts. The officer spots an FOID card. Officer, do you have any firearms in the car? Driver, sir, just because you see my identification is a FOID card. I do not have my CCL. It's a FOID card. That means I can't even have a firearm anyway outside of my home. Officer, so, there are no firearms in this car. The core dispute returns. Is it the license or the plates that are suspended? Confusion turns to a critical command. Driver, you ran my tags. My license is suspended? My plates can't be suspended. My license is suspended? Officer, so, your license is suspended. Driver, it's not 'cause I just went to the bureau for your license or your license plates. The license can be suspended. Not the plates, dude. Officer, license plates can get suspended. Driver, but that means your license, what you have in your hand right now, can be suspended. Not the plate. Officer, no, the plate can be suspended. The verbal deadlock breaks with 4 words no driver wants to hear. Officer, can you step out of the car for me? Driver, for what? Officer, well, 'cause your driver's license is suspended. Driver, my license is not suspended. Is there like somebody I could call? Officer, no, there's nobody you can call. Step out of the car. The driver refuses, citing his DMV visit. The officer's tone changes. Officer, exit the vehicle, driver, or you're going to be under arrest. Okay. Exit the vehicle. Driver, why am I being? Officer, okay, you're under arrest. You're under arrest. Get out of the car. Right now, you're just under arrest for driving on a suspended license. Okay. Do you want to make it resisting? What follows is the physical arrest. The driver's protests continue as he's restrained. Driver, this is wrong, bro. He said I couldn't ask for a supervisor. He said my plate was suspended, and then I'm saying, oh, no, your license has only been suspended. I just came from the DMV. Officer, spread your legs. Driver, can I have proof that my license was suspended? Officer, you can get that at the station. Driver, why am I going to the station though? Bro, this is crazy. I just got my stuff checked up. He was taken into custody and charged with driving while license suspended and resisting a peace officer. Where did this stop go off the rails? Was it a system error or a failure to comply? Could this have been de-escalated? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to see more real breakdowns of police interactions, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.